Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. We got a great episode today. We got appies with Chappy by the lake. This lake here, Lake Okanagan. So check it out. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. Today I have some cheeseburger potato skins. See here how I made them. And to go with my cheeseburger potato skins, we're going to make a tropical getaway cocktail. And I'm just going to build it over ice in my Tiki mug here. So it calls for 2 ounces of Malibu coconut. And 3/4 ounces of blue carousel. And then 3 ounces of ginger beer. I'm just going to substitute ginger ale today. And 2 dashes of bitters. I just have some cocoa bitters today. And I got a nice disheveled umbrella as a garnish. And that's my tropical getaway cocktail to go with my cheeseburger potato skins. And that concludes another episode at Chappy's Tiki Bar. Make sure you hit that notification bell. This is Chappy and Fred. What's that, Fred? Fred says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.